In this tutorial I will show you how to create paper cut text effect in Photoshop. Create a solid adjustment color layer and select a color. Go to Filter, Noise, add noise, make convert to Smart Object. 8% noise is great. Now take Type tool and write something that I need. Control or Command T to resize this text. Duplicate this text layer and make it rasterize. Select Rectangular Marquee tool and select top 50% area of this text layer. Mask this layer. Now duplicate this layer. Select Mask. Go to Image, Adjustment, Invert. Right-click and convert to Smart Object. Select the second layer, again right-click and convert to Smart Object. Control or Command T to resize this layer. Right-click and select Skew. Create a new layer. Right-click and create clipping mask. Select Gradient tool and drag on this area. Duplicate this gradient layer and place it to top. Right-click and create clipping mask. Select the bottom text layer. Double-click to open the Layer Style window. Select Bevel and Emboss. Follow this process. Select this layer and take Drop Shadow. Follow this process. Hold Alt key to copy this drop shadow and place it on the top layer. Hold Shift to select all text layer. Control or Command T to resize it. This is the final result. Thanks for watching.